Do you encounter thoughts of you are out of sync with companies functioning? You don't see your future in company. If you come across these thoughts, how you can prepare yourself in this year 2021? Keep this spirit of discovery and curiosity going on. Majority lose hope. Majority get confused. Majority lose sense. They get off track. When you join this company, you associate it with the mission, with the vision of the company. You love the brand. Keep that spirit alive. There's nobody else can do this, only you. Keep working on yourself. Keep that curiosity going. This will going to keep you hooked and spirited and happy, and your best and your creativity will come out. Don't get yourself off track. Even if you've got off track, come back. Show back that enthusiasm and discovery in anything and everything you're doing in company. For this, you can create an environment. You can spend time with hopeful people. You can read books. You can write. But come back. Don't let yourself sink in this feeling that you're not enjoying. You're not fitting into this company culture. Don't let this happen to you. Value diversity. You are going to meet a lot of interesting people. Some of them will going to accept you, love you, like you, and some of them will going to challenge you. And there's a likelihood that you will going to get into emotional turmoil with the people who challenge you. Don't get into emotional turmoil. Accept these people. These people are suffering. This is not your problem, not your concern. You keep going. You got to see everyone with the same perspective. Create a future with company's future. This is the hallmark of every growth journey. The vision with which company is looking at how you can associate, how you can see yourself growing, how you can see abundance for you, how you can see upliftment, elevation for your own life, your own professional growth, own journey. The more you can associate, the more you will be able to contribute. Your best can come out. You will be creative. You got to create this. You got to sing this. You got to make this happen. This will not happen on its own. Some of the supervisors, cultures can facilitate this. Sometimes it cannot. You got to make this happen. You got to associate a vision in which you are there and your company is there, and make this together. Love the product and services company is selling. This is very important. The product category, the service category in which your company is, you got to love it. You got to be passionate about it. You must be using it yourself. If not, then it becomes very difficult to grow in this company. You just, don't love the completeness of companies. If you are not loving the product and services, they don't excite you, then think about the product and services which you love in your life. Create a list of those companies. Think about switching and joining those companies rather than hanging around and wasting your aliveness. Your best can come out when the product and services your company is selling, you love them. You're passionate about it. Use compassion and hope with naysayers and gossip mongers. In companies, you'll find a lot of folks gossiping around, spreading negativity, questioning companies' policies, system. You don't have to get carried away in these conversations. You got to see these people with compassion. Don't let this hit your mind. This is going to confuse your mind and it will get you off track. It will get you out of form. It will confuse you. Don't let this happen. These conversations are very popular on chai trips, those chai tapris and office corridors. Don't get carried away in these conversations. How about trying some meditation? Try this every day, 5 to 10 minutes. See how you can associate yourself with the company's vision. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Feel the breath going in. See yourself, you're living this company's vision. You're full of energy. You're inspiring colleagues, customers, giving speeches. You're responsible. You see great future, you're living this, you have become the person you want to become. You're very happy, you're loving the product and services. Now try this every day, practice this. This is going to help you in training your mind, in aligning yourself with the company where you're working.